Hello and welcome to Conversations with Annie. My name is Enisia Mashusha, and this is the space where we talk about real struggles, building confidence, healing from setbacks, and finding the strength to rise again. Whether you're part of the diaspora or just someone who's been through challenges, you'll find encouragement tools and conversations here to help you rebuild and live with boldness. Today, we are talking about something so many of us have faced but suffer in silence: betrayal. Some of us invested back home. We trusted relatives, friends, or people we thought would protect our dreams. We believed they would honor us the way we honored them, but instead, everything was lost. Now you are left with anger, bitterness, and the heavy question: how do I start over again? Stay with me because today we are going to unpack this and I'll share how you can release that pain, protect your peace, and rebuild your life stronger than before. The first thing that you need to do, let's be real, losing money hurts, but losing trust, that's even deeper. When someone you cared for, someone you believed in, takes advantage of you, it shakes you to the core. It makes you bitter. But here is the truth: no matter how many times you replay it, you won't get that time, that trust, or that money back. So, the first step is acceptance. Say to yourself, it happened, it hurts me, but it will not control the rest of my life. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. Get me right. Healing means saying, I refuse to let the wound define me. Think about it like this: if you broke your leg, you wouldn't keep reopening the wound just to see how bad it looks. You would give it time, you would protect it. Isn't it? That's how it heals. You deserve to heal. Your heart deserves the same. So, take time for yourself. Breathe, pray, journal your feelings, surround yourself with voices that uplift you, not ones that fuel your anger. And remember this: forgiveness is not about saying what they did was okay. Forgiveness is about saying, I refuse to let what you did destroy me. Right? Now, let's talk about rebuilding. You might say, but I lost everything. No, you didn't. You still have you, your courage, your skills, your determination. The same boldness it took you to invest once, that's still inside you. So, start small. If you can't do big right now, that's okay. Build step by step. This time, learn. Don't put blind trust in people. Diversify your risks. Seek knowledge before you hand over control. Every success story you admire is filled with setbacks, betrayals, failures. The difference is that they got back up, and so will you. So, my message today to you is that yes, it hurts, but you're still here. And as long as you are alive, your story isn't finished. Take it easy on yourself, protect your health, guard your mental health, and when you are ready, start all over again. Just say, I was broken, but I'll not stay broken, and remain stronger. Thank you for watching. And if this message touched you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone else who might be carrying the same pain. And if you want more coaching and encouragement, hit that like button, subscribe, and join this community of people rising stronger every day. And if you'd like to share your own story, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at conversationswithanicia@gmail.com. I would love to hear from you.